Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Lori and I am thankful that you are here. And to all of you who are returning, thanks so much for being here. I am super blessed to have all of you in my life. And yeah, today is kind of exciting. I totally spaced out that I had this coming in the mail, and that's my Ipsy. My brother went and picked up my mail today and it was in there, and I was like, oh yeah, I guess it's that time of month, isn't it? I did not get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month. I just got the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, so I will not have as many items in order to do a face. However, I have some Ipsy products that you guys never saw that I was opening prior to starting to film my Ipsy unbaggings, and so maybe I'll use those plus whatever I get in this bag to make a look. If that's something that interests you, leave me a comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts. I haven't even opened this. Well, we will do the unbagging if I can get this open. Where is this? I have a brush. I can feel that. I have no clue what's in my bag this month. I didn't even look. Not a clue. Oh, I love this bag. It's so retro. It's so 70s. It is wide corduroy. I love corduroy. I used to wear it all the time on the job. Anyways, wide. It's got wide corduroy in like a burgundy and a mustard. And the toggle, of course, says Ipsy. And it is a burgundy shade or a wine shade, however you want to look at it. The theme this month is good vibes. Hello, good vibes. Oh, and we have what's in here, so I won't look. I will, since I don't have my glasses on, I will put the price of the item down here so you can see how much it retails for if you get a full size. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is, I think, $12 a month, where you get 5 deluxe size items in this bag. I did get a brush. So I love brushes. I'm always happy to get a brush. And this is by Shanna B. I have something else by Shanna B, and they're new to me. This is a contour brush, so that's nice, which would be good for me because I always get a little too low. It's really soft. Have any of you received a Shanna B brush or have anything from Shanna B? If you have brushes, what do you think of the brushes? And if you have products, what do you think of the products? I have a palette, a face palette, I believe, by them. Maybe I'll pull that in. Let's see what I have. I don't know what's in here, which I already told you guys, so that's like redundant. Okay, well, I was going to pull them all out, but it wasn't working, so. We have a hand lotion by La Chatelaine, and it's a passion fruit hand cream, so I'm excited. I received a hand cream last month. I think it was the peach tea one, and it smells so good. So good. Let's see what this smells like. It smells really good. Very fruity, very, very sweet. I don't know why I'm holding this bag because I'm going to be putting lotion on my hands. Oh, that's really nice. Very fruity, a little bit of zip in there. Very exotic, tropical. That's nice. Oh, we have the Professional Hydrate Primer. I wanted to try this, but have not done so yet, so I'm excited for that. I have a Tarte Big Ego. I'm assuming this is a mascara. Yep, it's a mascara. That wand is so loose. Holy smokes, I don't know if this will be usable. It is so stinking loose. I'll try to use it. We'll see if it's usable, but that is loose. Loose. I think the brand is Item. This is called Cheek Money, a Swipe and Glow Contour Powder. I have never heard of Item before. You? It must be because it says Item straight across the front there. Kinda retro with this orange packaging with gold block lettering kind. So I have a contour powder. I just used up a contour product and now I have a new one. This is in the shade V's, V-I-E-E, oh, Vibes. It's a Vibes, V-I-B-E-Z. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, oh, 4, 5. I was going to say I didn't get 5 items, but I did. I got the primer, the contour powder, the mascara. So these 3 things I will be using to make a look, along with the brush, the contour brush, and then this passion fruit hand cream, which truly smells good, and it doesn't leave a lingering stickiness or like film on your hand. It really soaked into my hands. Maybe that's because my hands are dry, or maybe that's just because it's a good quality hand cream. One of the two. It could be either or both. So I'm getting some more because, well, it smells divine, and I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could smell it, because I am loving on it. That's it, guys. Please take good care. Be safe. Keep your eyes open for that Ipsy Get Ready With Me if it's something you guys are interested in using old Ipsy products. If you're not, that's okay. Just let me know in the comments, and if you're not, we will just forego it. So that's it, guys. Please take good care. Be safe, be smart, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.